Hello guys and welcome. Today I want to teach you web development. The first language that I am going to teach you is HTML, and the second language is CSS, and the third language is JavaScript. So let's get started. I don't have a laptop, forgive me. I will buy it because I am a migrant in Turkey country. Because of this, my original country is Afghanistan. My computer, I left my computer on my homeland. Sorry, forgive me. If you have a laptop, you can download VS Code and start writing and start development, creating website. I downloaded. If you are in a mobile and smartphone, you can download this application, which is called Code Studio. Click on this. Let be opened. If you want to create a new project, click on here and then click on new. Click on web. And now, if you want to just learn HTML, just click on this on page. If you want to create a CSS file, click on this. If you want to create a JavaScript file, click on this. Now I want to create just HTML because I teach you HTML. I click on this page. I name this. The common one is index dot. The extension we use for HTML is HTML. Keep in mind, index.html. Okay. In computer you should enter the extension, but in my mobile phone it does not accept its HTML extension. Okay, now it's created. Click on this pin icon, and pin icon, this is the prerequisites of HTML. The first thing, this one, doc type HTML means this tells the browser, the first line, this one tells the browser that the current version of HTML is HTML5, but this line tells the browser that I am HTML5 version. Then the browser will render this page as HTML5. The second one is HTML. HTML wraps everything inside itself. Keep in mind. Here is this and this. Sorry, forgive me. Okay, no problem. This is HTML. And the second thing is head. Our website has a heading. Inside heading we add info about our website. What is the title of the website? What is the keywords of our website? What is the title of our website? Some method, some other thing that you will learn if you search. You will learn when you progress, when you learn CSS and JavaScript. You will learn these things. But if I tell you right now, it will be useless for you. Meta tag, we can add some other meta tags about the writer of our website, the keywords, the theme of our website, but it's not important right now. This one title is the title of our website. If I click on this is hello. This is the title of our website. If I change this, my title, and save. Keep in mind, click on save and click. This is the title of my website. My title. Click on pen. And now the third important thing is the body. Inside body we we add the content of our website inside the body. As you know, here is the content. HTML has many tags and elements. Tags or elements are same. These are called tags. This and this are called tags. These are called opening tags and these are called closing tags. Keep in mind. In HTML, we have 6 types of heading. It starts from heading 1, H1 up to H6. This is the biggest heading and H. Let me write it. Forgive me because I don't have a laptop. Forgive me, please. H6 and write hello world and write H6. If I save it and click on run, look, this is hello world, this is the biggest one, and this is hello world, the smallest one. Besides heading, HTML has paragraph element, which is implied by P. I am a paragraph. If I save and click on run, this is the paragraph. This is the paragraph that the browser renders it. Okay. After this, we can add. We have some other tags or elements that are not useful. For example, a code like this. The browser renders text as a code. For example, print. This Python function. Python. If I save run, look at this renders the text as code or mark our text. I am a mark. Save and run. Look, mark. Its background is yellow. We can use, but these are not useful. We can install them in CSS, but I show you how it works. This is italic. I am an italic text. Save and click on. This is italic text. We have bold text, be strong text, or plot. I am a bold text. Save, run, bold text. Okay, let's skip on this. After this, how to add images into our website. It's so easy. First of all, keep in mind that we have two types of tags in HTML. Closing tag, self-closing tags. Closing tags, we have self-closing tags in HTML that closes itself. We do not close it. Like this. Image tag, image element is this type of elements. Source. In source, we write the address or the URL of the image. Let me find an image online. Okay, let me search it. mm, and splash. Sorry, let me on my data and splash. Mm, my Wi-Fi is so slow. Okay, no problem. For example, I want to, for example, Kemal. Kemal, I search Kemal. I want email Kemal too. Mm-hmm. Ah, shit. Mm, sorry. Okay. Let's try again. Try again. And let me copy the image address. Copy link address. I think it won't work. But I try my best. Yes. Okay. Yes, and now I want to close the. If I save and then I don't know, this is my browser problem or the link is not correct. Forgive me if you try this on laptop. It's going to work. Okay, let me find another copy image. If I copy image, what? Sorry, it won't work. If I search on Google, Kemal. Images. Copy its link. Share. I cannot keep it. Now I want to copy. Okay, I found the image address. I want to copy, paste it here from my clipboard. Now, if I save it, click on run. This is the picture, the image of the. It's very big. The image of the camel. How did I do this? First of all, I went to Unsplash. Let me guide you because in phone, adding image is very problematic. For example, this is the image, this one. This is the image. No, this is the image. This is the image. Click and copy image. Now you copy the image. Go to your editor and cleaning something in mobile browser is very hard, and just you have to click on this, it undo, and now click on your clipboard and click on this. It pastes the path of the image. Save. This is the image. I copy. Now image has some attributes. For example, when the path of your image is not correct, the browser won't show. For example, if I delete this table and copy, save and click, this is my browser does not show my image, but show this kind of icon. If I want to show text to improve my CCO, as well to let my users know that what is this image. For this kind of results, we have to use alt attribute. This works when the path of your image isn't correct. My beautiful camel. Save and look at here, my beautiful camel. Now everyone knows that this is the picture of my camel. Or when your user's internet connection isn't good. If I save and save, then now the text is gone. The image is appear. We can control the size of our image using alt height and width. Height, for example, height is height equal, for example, 245, and width equal 345. Save. This is my image. I resize my image. This all was about images. After this, how to add anchor tags, or how to connect our website to external content. For example, when you click on a link, you go to that link. That link takes you to the specific destination. In HTML, it's so easy. We have anchor, which is implied by a anchor. Anchor element has some attributes. The useful one is href. Href nets a URL address of that content or that website that takes you there. For example, I want to go to google.com. I have to write the URL of google.com. HTTPS Google, sorry, Google dot, sorry, .com. No, tag, and now anchor tag next anchor text. We have to put text to click on it. For example, Google. If I save, click on run. If I click on this, Google. Now I'm in Google. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. If I want to go to back, click on back, then sorry, I closed my editor. Click on my editor. Now click on pin. This was anchor tag. Anchor tag has some useful attributes. Using href attribute, we can, for example, sorry, anchor tag has an attribute is called target. Target is used. It tells, do you want to open a new tab or open in this page, in this tab? If you write blank target and the value of the target is blank, it opens a new tab. Save. If I click on this, it opens a new tab. Here is my, sorry, but it works on browsers. This is not a professional browser. It works on PC browsers. Believe me, if you try it. Okay, if I add just blank, I save. Sorry, it does not work in this mobile in my good editor browser. It's not a professional browser, but it's good. If you want to open it in the same tab, you write parent, or you don't write target attribute. It does not open any tab. Well, let's go. Okay. We can send email using anchor element like this. Mail to colon. After colon, we have to write our email address. For example, ahmad@gmail.com, and I write here email me. Save, run. If I click email me, it opens. It here it does not work in mobile browser, but it works in your PC browser. Believe me. Okay, mail to. It does not works here. As well, you can mail to someone, and after this, we can call someone using attribute. For example, some random image number and if I change the text, contact me. Contact me. Save and right click. It does not the browser does not work. Believe me, it works in your PC. And now, how to nest after anchor tag is how to nest HTML elements inside each other. For example, how to change an image into a link. For example, if I want to add here the logo of Google or Facebook, let me find its logo. Sorry, let it be open. Google. Sorry. Google. Google logo. Google logo. Why is it crazy? Google logo. Critical logo. Not, no. Shit. Okay. For example, this is Google logo. Copy image. Now go to your editor. When you want to nest an element inside each other, you have to wrap it inside it. Wrap. For example, if I want to convert image into a link, I have to wrap image element inside anchor element. For example, href equal this Google.com closes. Now inside this I have to add image element. Image element and the source attribute, paste the image. It's the Google image. And now I want to control the width and height of my image. Width 200. Right. Now save. If I click on this, I'm going to go. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. Click on this. Did you notice? I changed image into a link. It's so useful. It has so common usage. You can wrap paragraph inside heading, for example. For example, heading each one. I am heading. Example. I am heading, and now I want to wrap a paragraph tag inside heading. But I am paragraph. Save. Notice I am heading, but I am paragraph. Okay, but we can we can customize this. We can style this using CSS. Right now you don't know about CSS, but believe me, it works. We have give element, span element. These are useful when we are write. When we learn CSS, we have classes IDs. Okay. This was this was about all of this was about a heading, paragraph, anchor element, images. I see you in the next section. Guys, welcome to the second section of my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about lists in HTML. We have two types of lists in HTML: ordered lists, and unordered lists. What this means? Ordered lists are lists that are numbered, and unordered lists are lists that have bullets. They don't have order. For example, if I create an ordered list like this, I put number. For example, apple number 2, orange. This is an ordered list because this has number. We cannot rearrange this. We cannot write 2 then 1. We cannot do this. This has order. This is called ordered list. An unordered list is list like this: bullet, apple, orange. This. You can rearrange this. No one knows. If I rearrange this, no one knows. What? Where was the position of orange? Where was the position of apple? Because this list does not have order. Let's create an ordered and unordered list in HTML. Let me clean. Okay. When we want to create ordered list, we use OL. OL means ordered list, the abbreviation of ordered list. Inside ordered list, we add our list items, which is li. Li means list item. Keep in mind. Inside li, we add the name of our item. For example, apple, li, orange. If I save and click on run, look at this as number 1. Number 1 is apple, number 2 is orange. An unordered list is OUL. These are the same, just ordered list as number, as order. Unordered list does not have order. We add list item like ordered list in an ordered list. Li. And if I can write apple, orange, li, orange. If I save, run, this is an ordered list. Okay. Ordered list has some attributes. For example, start. Where should it start? If I write start equal 4, 57, it starts from 4, 5. If I say reversed, it reverses the order of my list. Reversed. Reversed. Sorry. Reverse. Reverse. I forgot. What's going on? Okay, forgive me. Reverse. Okay, forgive me. I forgot. But it's, if I here type, if you want to change the type of the your list, for example, add alphabet. If you want to add Romanian number, this save I Roman number, add, for example, capital A D, start and type. This are the attributes of ordered list. Okay, let it be. Okay. On ordered list also has some. No, I forgot. I don't know. It does not have attributes. After this, we have. Let me think. Let me think. Forms. I think we have forms in HTML. We have HTML has many elements, but I mentioned the common ones. For example, it has iframe, it has code element, ABBR element, mark element, marker element, but the common ones are these ones: heading, paragraph, anchor element, image, okay, list, and forms. Let me teach you forms. When you want to create forms, we have everything inside form. Now, inside form, we have inputs. We have to add inputs. For example, when we want to submit a form to our website, when we want to register, we want to survey someone. Our forms. Forms are very useful, very common use cases. Has very common use cases in our website. We have to add input and the type of the input. We have, I think, 15 types of inputs in HTML. Text and okay, placeholder, for example, enter your name. It has ID, and I need to tell you ID or value, that value. It's not useful right now when you learn with pure joy. It will be useful, but right now this is the basic type of form. Okay. This is the form. Enter your name. My name is Ahmed. Split. See? Display solar. Enter your name. We can add label for user to know. Label add for the target of my label. When I click on label, it changes the border of my input. For example, username, type user name, and here at ID should be same as for username. Save. If I click in here, it opens my, it pop-ups my keyboard. What's your username? Come on. The second type is email input. Email type equal email. The browser renders my input as I did not label. Okay, sorry. Placeholder. Share place. Sorry. Placeholder equal. It's so fun. Programming is so fun. It's development, especially development. Email. Email and live. It improves their experience for me. If you want to, if I save and run, if you want to add a new line, you have to use BR element, which means break line. BR now save it and just add a new line. Username, enter your name, email in. We have the third one is placeholder. This is not a good placeholder. That's right. Username. The third one is let me add time break. And a label. Password. Password. And then input is input and type password. Password. Even the placeholder for password. If you are on, you can. so useful. This is my This is my this. If I got some password, it shows us dot. This Windows password is dot. The first one is wait. Dev. Yeah, input. Right. Oh yeah. This full one. Checkbox. Radio. Checkbox. I forgot. Checkbox. Yeah, didn't that label for this. Okay. Checkbox. For example, I want to create one the paragraph heading. Sorry. Edit one. Choose your choose your favorite favorite subject. Now, and after level for example, math. It should be math. Because it works. Biology. Okay. Other level. For is equal biology. Biology and level is biology. Let me see. This is choose your favorite subject. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Oh man. Okay. See? Choose your favorite subject. You can choose this and this. You can choose this. That's it, the checkbox. It's too useful. You have radio button. For example, choose your gender. Okay, you cannot check attribute. Checked. It's checked by default. Save. Run. This is checked by default. Biology is checked by default. Keep it on. After this, the fifth one. I forgot the fifth one or the sixth one. That's a big one. Heading one. Choose your gender. You may be seen when you create a Facebook account or login on website. Sign into a website. sign up. Okay. At input. Input type is equal radio button. Click the radio button. ID equal mail. On label for all mail the break line input type equal radio ID equal female plus this label for equal female plus this female. The third one is okay. This is enough, but you cannot more. This is choose your gender. You can choose this one. Sorry. Keep in mind they should have the same name. For example, because of this, it didn't work. Name for example gender. Name attribute. Name attribute is for when we work with server side languages. Now, choose your gender, male or female. This is radio input. We have color input, wake input, label. That's why I have input and its type. Input type equal color. Color. Wait, date, input, type, equal, date, choose date, it's the date, so useful, choose the wake activity. Input type equal wake. It is the wake. Done. Okay. One more important. Select attribute. Here. Input type equal data type equal list. And select sorry, I forgot. Let me search. Okay, I found this website dev.to. It is a useful website for learning HTML or other languages. These are the types of HTML input types. These are the types of inputs we use. Keep in mind, if you want to refer this or if you want to take a screenshot of this, I stop here. Okay, I think you screenshot it. Now let me go back to my editor, and after this types we have. Okay, let me work some of them. For example, input type called file. You can add file to your website. Type equal file is so useful. Save, run. If you click here to the file, it pop-ups in there. But this does not work in this. Rather, it works. In PC browser. Okay, input list. This is not list. This is number. You can add number. Forgive me, number. Edit local time number. It only chooses number. Or till if you want to add till telephone receipt or receipt input. For example, this till it shows only numbers. If I click this, it shows this. It means you just enter number, phone number, active number. It's enough for inputs. The second important thing is select. Let me add a label for select. When you want to create a drop down, basic drop down, you can create fancy drop down using JavaScript, but for now it's enough to create a drop down, basic drop down in HTML. For example, what should I use? Languages. For example, choose your language. Choose your language. We have select attribute, select as ID, drag input, language, and so this we put our options. Option value of our option value is equal English Arabic option Arabic. Okay, that's enough. You can add more languages. Save and choose your language. Click English, Arabic. You can You can choose multiple languages using multiple attributes. Multiple. Choose English. Select. You can add uh, default. For example, select it here. It's selected by default. Select it. Save. English is selected by default. It's good. Okay. Oh, what do you have? We have. Okay. We can submit forms using button submit, but input type goes submit. But okay, we can create buttons in HTML using the button element button. It's not good, but ugly button. Save run this button, specific button. Can I create a table in HTML? Table. Our table has heading dot info. We add tr table row. We add rows. Inside this we add th table heading yes. Add for example name. Last name snf. And now add body body table row. So table row add the table data. Name last name. Next that. Save and run. Like this there. You can start this using this. You can add footer to the table like this. Food. Footer add data. So this table. This all was about HTML5. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will make video about tips and tricks of HTML5. I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know if you enjoy. If you want to more tutorials, let me create. See you in the next